today in front of me Honor 8X, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration section. As can you see here, we got the ringtone volume panel, and just to unmute our ringtone you should swipe this white dot with your finger to the right side. And as can you hear, we just unmute our ringtone volume. And also we got the second way how we can do that, but first be sure that here on this section in the default volume button control you got selected the ringtone, not the media volume, because you'll just by press on your up or down volume buttons you will change the media. So I got now the ringtones here set it, and by just press on the up volume button you can also unmute your ringtones, as can you see. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.